I'm Charles Thornton. I'm the module leader for Operations for Competitive Advantage, and I'm here to give you a brief overview of this final year module. The module itself aims to provide students with an informed approach to operations management, allowing you to understand problems both in the goods and the service industries. It's to enable you to be able to not only present feasible solutions, so to be able to communicate in appropriate language, but also understand the technical issues, but also to implement those with the aim of developing operations-based competitive advantage. So there's a strategic focus to this module. The module itself has this key theme that what we're seeking to do is how can operations help deliver competitive advantage. But because it's a final year module, it can be set in the context of other disciplines. For example, marketing, technical and IT functions, supply chain management, people management, including human resources, accounting and finance, product or service development. And all of these integrate with operations management to provide a transformation process. So if we've got raw materials, component parts going into a car factory, they're transformed into a completed car. If we've got a hungry customer going into a restaurant, hopefully they come out a satisfied customer, no longer hungry. So what are some of the key topics? Unsurprisingly, operations management. So that's how do we use operations management to develop a strategy that can, an operations strategy that an organisation can then use as part of its broader strategy. Conversely, of course, operations will play a role as well in implementing that broader strategy. We look at issues like capacity and demand management, project management, quality, be it quality in manufacturing or the slightly different context of service quality. All of this uses a series of building blocks, individual processes. So how do we design those processes? How do we manage them? How do we improve them, because we can't stand still? And an aspect of that is the layout. How do we actually align these processes and the flow of work through them? How efficient is that? And all of this in the service context will deliver service to an external customer. In the manufacturing context and aspects of the service context may deliver it to an internal customer. We look at sustainable operations. We look at how employees can be used to deliver competitive advantage in operations. So something very much set in the context of operations, not repeating people management. Supply chain management, lean and just in time. Overall performance in operations with a focus on balanced scorecard. The understated topic of failure and maintenance. So how's the module delivered? Next year will be the first semesterised delivery. So we're going to be teaching in 2 two-hour blocks each week. This year I've been fortunate in getting one guest speaker. I'm hoping next year that we'll be able to increase that. Assessment. 50% coursework, there will be 2 pieces, and 50% examination. Prerequisites, there are none. Reasons for taking the module? Well, if you're interested in a career in operations, unsurprisingly, it's a key thing that we look at.